Welcome back, and thanks for watching the Impact Report. Imagine a place on SIU's campus where the level of research is so complex, the most powerful type of computer in the world is needed to keep projects in progress. Inside the College of Engineering, Computing, Technology, and Mathematics, you'll find the supercomputer, designed to perform quadrillions of calculations in seconds. The supercomputer is a key part of what enables Southern Illinois University to maintain a Research One status, a designation given to universities with very high research activity and spending. On top of that, students and staff use renewable energy to help power the supercomputer and surrounding labs. So how does that interconnected system work, and why is it important? SIU Foundation Chief Operating Officer Jeff Gleam heads into the lab to find out.
So I'm here on SIU's campus in the College of Engineering building here, and with me is the Dean of the College of Engineering, Computing, Technology, and Mathematics, Frank Liu.
Yeah, we're going to showcase two facilities in the School of Electrical, Computer, and Biomedical Engineering. One is we call the renewable microgrid. The idea is we collect the solar energy using solar panels and then put the energy in storage. And another facility we're going to showcase is the high performance computing complex.
So why don't we go take a look?
Sure.
Thank you. Hey, Justin.
How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Doing well, doing well.
What is a supercomputer in regards to what we're here for?
Yeah, so what it is, a supercomputer is a just series of little brains. Kind of, if you think about it like ants, you have this whole situation where a single ant can't really do much work by itself, but once you put 100 ants together, now you're able to move mountains. This has over 500 effective CPU cores. It's a very impressive machine. And each one of those little cores solves a little bit of that math problem.
And the modes that you were talking about are inside
each one of these. Multiple nodes in each one of these.
Okay, nodes,
So,
yes.
And you can see that on the board out here, some of them working.
Lots of charts and numbers. What does this mean?
So this is all system monitoring for a single little bit of this in here.
What is this?
This is very similar to the board that we saw over there, which all of that is like system health of the supercomputer. This is kind of system health of our PV panels out here. Over here on the left, you can see power generation. So on a day like today where it's nice and cool, sun's out, you get large amounts of power generation. And then down here on the bottom right, you can see the loads. And what are loads? Load is exactly what you think it is. It is us. It's whatever we're using.
I think we're going to take a look at maybe outside and talk a little bit about what we're looking out there, and then talk a little bit about how all that works together.
Yeah.
Okay.
So these are our PV panels. They're here to generate power. And they just generate power, send to the next step, which is going to be the batteries. This is our battery storage system. So essentially, it's just a lot of batteries in series. They just store the power before it gets released back to be able to be used.
Step 3 now is then back to the
all of these rooms that we just took a kind of walk through and took a look at and saw where the students are studying, working, and playing.
Why do we have all this?
A lot of our master students and our PhD students are really working heavily on simulations that is pretty much driven primarily by our supercomputer. You can't do them on these computers, so it just takes forever.
So we are an R1 designated institution. I'm assuming this plays a part?
Yeah, without the supercomputer, without this room, a lot of our research wouldn't exist. And therefore the research money wouldn't exist, and we would not have made R1 status.
Okay, so that brings everything together.
Yes.
Right, okay, right. Again, I want to thank you for your time and explaining all this to everybody, and appreciate the knowledge and all the work that you guys do here. So thank you.
Thank you.
And back to you in the studio, Anna.
What an incredible facility to learn about. That supercomputer is responsible for supporting so many different student and faculty research projects, including studies in atmospheric science, geospatial modeling, and AI.